Next we will go on with broken torque test. Screw the bolt fully into rivet nut from the top side. Rotate torque wrench till threads are broken. The first rivet nut test result is 51.50 Newton-meter. Second rivet nut test result is 48.00 Newton-meter.